Hey everybody, it's Coach Sandy here with Fit for Life Fitness, and I wanted to share with you one tip and something that I do pretty much on a daily basis to come up with ideas. As a Beachbody coach, I do find it hard sometimes to come up with ideas and different ways of engaging in conversation or coming up with different ideas to get people kind of interested in just health and fitness in general. So a lot of times I come to Pinterest as my number one tool next to Google and to find different creative things. Now, for those of you that don't know what Pinterest is, it is a free site that you can go to and actually create your own account. And it's basically a pinboard style photo sharing website that allows you to create and manage different types of like theme based image collections that include like events like birthday parties or interest or hobbies, different things like that. So you create boards on Pinterest if you wanted to, you can. So like for instance, like holidays, or if you're planning a birthday party, you can create a board that's for, let's just say I had one for my son, Gio's birthday party. And from that, I could go in and search birthday parties and find all sorts of things relating to a 4-year-old birthday party, and then save it to all these individualized boards. And from that, you can go back later and look at it and actually go to websites and find out where, people got their ideas from and different things like that. But anyways, I use it mainly for my fitness and health business. What I do is I actually get images off of here all the time. I work my business every single night after the kids go to sleep for about an hour to 2 hours. And from there, a lot of times I'll pre-plan or schedule post on my like page on Fit for Life, Fitness and Support, or I will save pictures on my phone and use them later on when I have time to post things. So on Pinterest, what you would do is you would go right up here on the left side where it says search. You would click there and you would type whatever it is. Now, what you want to do and what I like to do is kind of find things that are relating to the current time. So right now we have holiday fitness, holiday health, diet, New Year's, things that are going on in every point of the year. There's always something going on, whether it's summertime, vacations, whatever, school time, whatever it may be. So you want to find things that are going on right now. So let's go ahead and type in holiday fitness, and then you would just press enter. From there, it's going to pull up all the different things that people have pinned relating to holiday fitness. So as you can tell, all these things come up, and I mean a ton of things will come up. So one thing that strikes my interest right off the bat is this fitness gift. I think that's pretty cool. I'm always interested in finding out different fitness gifts that I can get for other people. So therefore, I bet you there's a ton of other people that are probably thinking the same thing I do. So in order to save this picture, you would need to click on it to expand it. Then you would right click and you would want to save picture as. And for me, I save it on my desktop. You could save it wherever you want to. I'll save it on my desktop and I'll just label it however. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. I just put the number one. Enter. So now it's saved on my desktop. And what I'll do is I'll scroll through and I'll find all sorts of really cool things. Like this one here, I actually posted on my like page a few days ago because I thought it was funny. It's cute. It relates to fitness, but also, the holidays, drinking, having a good time. There's a lot of people that can relate to that. And that's what it's all about. Being a coach is all about finding interest in other people and being interesting. So you want to definitely find things that relate to you and that you think are cool and funny and express who you are. So that's another cute one. There's a ton of different things. Perfect one here is Chalene Johnson. That's directly related to our Beachbody business. Why not post something that's related to one of our great trainers talking about how to avoid holiday weight gain? So the same thing, you would right click, save picture as, and then save it however you want to. When you're done with all the finding the pictures that you want to do, you would go onto Facebook and then you would post them. So for instance, if you were posting them just on your regular page, if you found something right now, you would just click right here on your updating status. You would type in whatever it is that you wanted to do. You would add photo or video, upload, find the photo where it's saved at, and then you would go ahead and put post so that it would post it immediately. Now, for me, I utilize Pinterest a lot for my like page because I don't have time to be on this page all day long, but yet I want to be engaging and I want to make sure that I'm getting out to all our fans and everybody that's liking our page. And it's really important to be consistent with your actions. So, therefore, every day when I'm working my business, I'll go into here, I'll save all those pictures. I'll start typing things. So, whatever it may be relating, let's just say relating to that one gift idea. I might type something that great gift idea for the holidays. Have you been thinking about buying somebody something or whatever it may be that you want to post? And then you just do photo, video, upload photo, you'd find the video. And then from here on this left little circle that looks like a clock, you would click that. And this is where you schedule your post. From here, you could schedule it anywhere in advance, which is really, really cool. So I would schedule it for tomorrow and I would start with my times. I usually do 4 to 5 posts a day on my like page. I like to have different things. And they're, all over depending on what I have going on or whatever it may be. So from there, then you would schedule it and you just continuously do that for all of your posts. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is that you can actually use your phone as well. Going on, I want to show you guys right into the Pinterest app. And from here, you would do the same exact thing. So you would search, it's already typed in there, holiday fitness. Search. And then all the different things would come up. And again, there's that one picture that I really liked. I expanded it by clicking on it. And in order to save this to your camera roll in this format so that it looks nice, you would click on the 3 little buttons at the bottom and then save to camera roll. You don't want to share it via email or share it on Facebook because you really don't need to do that. It's probably going to give you a link. I never do that. I always save it to my camera roll and then I'll go back and I'll upload it onto Facebook and I'll write whatever it is that I want to do. So while I'm working my business, I'll go through here and I'll search and I'll find all the cool things that I think that are pretty neat or funny or relating to who I am or what I'm trying to get out to everybody. And I'll save them to my camera roll. And that way, when I'm ready to make post on my personal page, I'll go in there at that time and I'll have the picture already ready to go. So I don't have to think of post or anything like that. Yeah, I have to think of what to write, but the picture's already there. And when it's there, it's going to trigger my mind as to what I want to say. So then I just go ahead and post from there. So this is just something that I do. It's very easy to do and it saves a lot of time. So definitely feel free to do it. Remember, it's Pinterest, Pinterest.com. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.